Hi everyone, I'm Chris, the Aquarius Traveller. Make sure you subscribe for your worldwide travel content and inspiration. Hi there travellers, and welcome to this week's video on the Cobbold Gorge Glass Bridge walking experience. If you're not aware, Cobbold Gorge is located in North Queensland's outback, about 1 hour's drive outside of the small town of Forsyth, and 6 hours drive from Cairns. This is one of the stops along the Savannah Way driving route travelling from 3 states and the top end of Australia from Broome to Cairns. Matt and I stayed 2 nights in Cobbold Gorge and explored a number of activities in and around the gorge. Today I will be showing you just the glass bridge walking experience. However, if you would like to see the full video, hit the link above or in the description below to see what else I've got up to. I do post a lot of outdoor content from hiking, swimming, waterfalls, beaches, a little camping, and just showing you what this big wide world has to offer. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my future videos. It's important to note this is private land and you will need to book a tour to access any part of Cobbold Gorge. The Glass Bridge experience is part of a 3-hour gorge tour. This includes a boat ride, walking around a small part of the bushland, and finishing up with walking over the glass bridge. Also know this was a new addition introduced to the Gorge Tour in 2019, so it hasn't actually been around for very long. After about 30 minutes on the land tour and gradually walking uphill, we started making our way over the tops of the rocks and then arriving at the glass bridge. No shoes can be worn on the bridge to prevent scratching, so you will need to take your shoes off, walk across the bridge to place them on the other side, and then enjoy about 10 minutes on the glass bridge section. This is not something for those being afraid of heights. It's about 19 metres high. In fact, there was one lady guided over by her husband with her eyes shut. If you can't handle that, then you might want to skip the land section of the tour altogether. But if you can manage it, it can be a little freaky at first, but an awesome experience to look straight down at the gorge. It does provide a different perspective and exceptional viewing opportunities of the gorge. This glass bottom bridge not only allows you to see clearly straight out of each side of the gorge, but also straight down at your feet through the bridge. After the 10 minutes on the bridge section, you are walked off the other side and back to the bus. I hope you've enjoyed this small look at this experience, guys, and thanks a bunch for watching today's edition. Don't forget to smash that like button if you have enjoyed this small tour of the Glass Bridge experience at Cobbold Gorge. See you next time, guys.